Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your Grammarly account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly's website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on the account option at the right hand side of your screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see Delete Account link. Click on it. You need to click on Yes, continue with account deletion link. After that, sign into your account. As you can see here, your account has been deleted. So that is how you can delete your Grammarly account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.